Let's make these adorable Dollar Tree chocolate Easter bunny jars, perfect for your kids' basket. Hi everybody. I went into my local Dollar Tree and found these little chocolate bunnies. I had seen this craft on Pinterest, and so we're gonna make some Easter bunny jars for my kids for Easter. So I went ahead and I got 3 of these little chocolate Easter bunnies. I grabbed 3 jars and then 2 different kinds of Easter grass. And then these are not from the dollar store. These are just those Hershey's candy coated eggs. So I thought that this would be a fun little inexpensive thing just to add to their Easter basket. So what we're gonna do is just open a jar here. Get some grass in there. This stuff is so messy. Let's see. I'm not sure how much we're gonna wanna add. Just put a little bit of Easter grass in there, and then we're gonna open up one of these bunny rabbits. Super inexpensive. Like I said, most of this, aside from the candy coated eggs, is from the dollar store. You could even make this with your kids. I'm sure that would be fun. How do I open this guy? Let's see. Oh, there we go. Just gonna pull it right out. How cute is that? Super cute. We're just gonna put it right here in the jar. Kind of poke it a little bit, and then we're gonna add some of these eggs. See if we can get them to stay upright. There we go. I'm gonna split this bag into 3 here for 3 different jars. Perhaps I would put more grass in the next one. These kind of weigh down the grass. Just go ahead and pop your lid back on. And there you go. Super cute little bunny in a jar. Put that right in your kids' Easter basket. It's adorable. Even adults would love this. So I'm just gonna get the other 2 made here. Might just save this for another time. Let's get more grass. I'm gonna add a little bit more grass than I did on the other ones. I am so excited for spring. Starting to see some buds on the bushes and trees. Gonna plant some seedlings, get my garden going here soon. Super excited. I can't wait to grill some food too. I like grilling food. Grilling some corn, peppers. Okay, let's see if we can shove this down a little bit. Okay, let's get our little bunnies in there. Yeah, definitely go with a little bit more grass. I don't think I'll worry about adding more grass to that first one, but just for visuals, it looks better with more grass. Those little candy eggs are kind of heavy, so. Alrighty, let's just get the little eggs in there. These would even be cute like as centerpieces on a table. I mean, these things are adorable. Wow. I love them. Let's see. Let's go with a few more. And there you go. Super quick, inexpensive, adorable craft for your kids' Easter baskets. Subscribe for more, guys. Thank you. Happy Easter.